Hello, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and today we're exploring auxiliary verbs. If you're learning English at AB1 level, you're in the right place. Auxiliary verbs, also known as helping verbs, play a key role in English. They are verbs that combine with main verbs to help form different tenses, questions, and negative sentences. The most common auxiliary verbs are be, do, and have, and each one serves different functions to give our sentences clarity and structure. Let's check out some examples. If I say, she is studying English, the auxiliary verb helps to show that this action is happening right now. In they do not agree, do helps to form the negative sentence. Or in I have seen that movie, have is used to indicate a completed action in the past with a connection to the present. Without auxiliary verbs, we'd have a hard time expressing when something happens or making sentences sound complete. In everyday life, auxiliary verbs are everywhere. Think about phrases like, I am going to work, he does speak loudly, or we have finished our homework. Whether you're making plans, expressing actions, or asking questions, auxiliary verbs help us give context to our statements in English. Thank you for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and leave a review. Your support helps other English learners find our show. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.